Welcome back to my food channel, where I show you how to make very simple, delicious dishes that anybody could do. So, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make, prepare, and cook Greek-style potato wedger recipes. And these are the basic ingredients you're going to need. Olive oil, oregano leaves, adobo from Goya, which has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic, and a little more black pepper. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut these potatoes so they could be wedger size. You can make them thick like that, or you can make them as thin as you like. But these are pretty good size wedgers. If you flip them around, you can just cut it in the middle like that without cutting yourself. Make them like this. These are usually the basic wedger size. And I'm gonna just put them in here, and I'm gonna keep cutting them wedger size potatoes until I'm done. Now today I'm using 7 potatoes, about this size. These are Idaho potatoes, but you can use whatever potatoes you like. But I recommend Idaho potatoes because they're good and soft, and they're really good quality potatoes. If you're gonna use the skin, I highly recommend that you wash the skin. I'd rather not use it, but for each his own. So I highly recommend that you wash that skin real thoroughly because it has a lot of germs. It's been on the dirt for a long time, and they use a lot of animal stuff for fertilizer, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna keep cutting until we go to the next step. Now that I'm done cutting the last piece, I'm gonna take my glass tray, cooking tray, put it out, and we're gonna add the ingredients. Now we're gonna add olive oil. Make sure you put enough. Adobo from Goya, which has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. Just use enough. And a lot of black pepper. You can use as much as you like. And last but not least, oregano. And now we're just gonna stir it all around. Make sure we get all the ingredients together. And then we're just going to put it on our pan. Just stir a little more. Make sure it spreads all around. Now we got all the ingredients. Make sure you don't get any oil on the sides. Now that I finished putting all the ingredients on the potato wedgers, I already had the oven preheated for 425 degrees, and I'm gonna let it cook for a good 25 minutes, then I'm gonna turn them around for another 20 minutes. So last but not least, I have to add the lemon juice. So about a 1/4 cup, just add the lemon juice. Later on you'll add a little more lemon, so. Now we're just gonna take them out of the oven and turn them around and spin. I gave it a good extra 10 minutes, so a good half hour. You can see how nice and crispy they are. See that? Do it with a fork, or you can just turn it around like this with a. Now you could leave them as long as you like. If you like them extra crispy, you could do that also. Like I said, it's been a half hour and they're almost cooked. So So you just put in the fork inside the potato, and I can see that they're almost fully cooked. The other side cooked. While I'm waiting for the potato wedges to fully cook, I'm gonna squeeze 7 fresh lemon limes. I already added lemon earlier, but you always want to add lemon in the end. If you could get fresh lemons, go to the grocery. So it's just 7 of them. I'm gonna squeeze them, freshly squeezed, so I can add it to the potato wedgers. Okay, now it's ready to be served. Nice and toasty and brown. It's total another half hour it took after I turned them around for a half hour. Now they're all nice and toasty and brown, as you can see. And last but not least, I'm going to take the fresh lemon lime and add more fresh lemon. Now it's ready to be served. And here you got it, the delicious Greek-style potato wedgers recipe. Now I'm going to add a little more of the lemon from the glass tray that I used to cook them. And we're going to try one. I'm going to try one. Doesn't that look good? Nice and golden brown. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed my recipe. And until next time, thank you for watching and subscribing. Now it's time to eat. Now, before I forget, you could serve these with eggs, chicken, whatever side dish you like. Enjoy. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thank you for watching and subscribing. And until next time.